Hi guys, this is Joe Carmel with Quilts by Carmel. I am back. I have made a couple of African themed stadium quilts for my husband's family reunion. Um, I took the pattern from Material Girls and I'll link it below, but I just wanted to come on real quick and just show you how great they turned out. I used the Hot Fix adhesive, and all I have to do is back it and quilt it. I'm going to quilt it in some really simple lines so it doesn't take away from the quilt. I will be right back and I'll show you the orange version. Alrighty, I am back with the orange version and I love it best. I think it just really pops off of the black. I bought the African fabric from T Quilts. I will link it below. Um, and I bought 2 yards of the African fabric, and I bought 4 yards of the black, but I've only used 2 yards. So 2 yards of each work for me. And hi guys, I'm back and I finished this quilt top. Doesn't it look beautiful? It's made from African fabrics and some Kona um, for my husband's family reunion. It's this weekend. Okay, hubby, let's see the back side of it. That's my husband. Say hi, Douglas.
Hi. Hi, Douglas.
And here's the back with the African fabrics I got from T Quilts. I will link her information below. But I'm loving how it turned out. I just did some simple line quilting on it so the fabric can shine. Now he's going to get the other one that I made. All right, that's the first one. I think this is our favorite, huh, honey?
I would say
It's
yes.
just so bright and pretty. Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. They are both 55 by about 68. I'm going to zoom in so you can see I did the teardrop quilting on it. And I put a black fleece on the back. Let's just see the back real quick. Yep, there we go. Very simple, very simple quilting. I put Moda Grunge on the binding. One more time, honey, before we go. Flip it back over. Thank you, husband. It looks fantastic. I love how it turned out. I did use Hot Fix adhesive for the words, and it's really easy. You can even, as you can see, I quilted over it. So turned out absolutely wonderful, and it's going for the banquet tomorrow. Thanks, guys.